Today, we are unveiling to the world for the very first time the prototype of Honda's new SUV in the Zero series, the Honda Zero Alpha. It features the sleek and sophisticated design unique to the Zero series, along with a bold, original silhouette that expresses the strength characteristic of an SUV. Combining these two qualities, it harmonizes beautifully with both urban and natural environments and serves as a companion to people thriving in every situation. Thanks to packaging based on the Finn's philosophy, it achieves both a low overall height and ample road clearance, providing a spacious interior even with a slim cabin design. The Honda Zero Alpha is scheduled to go on sale globally with a focus on Japan and India starting in 2027. And for our customers in Japan, we will be delivering 3 models from the Zero series, including the Zero Alpha, within fiscal year 2027, so please look forward to it.